mute. Can you hear me?
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, now you are audible. I think you are on mute that
All
time.
right. Yes. Yeah. So hi Sarita, how are you?
I'm fine, Asim. How about you? How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. So this is our first meeting. So we'll introduce each other. So because we will get to know each other in a better way.
Yeah,
So
sure.
shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
All right, got it. So my name is Asim, and I'm from basically I'm from Bihar, but I stay in Bangalore,
Okay.
and I'm working in IT sector.
Mhm.
And right now, currently I'm in Bihar and I'm working from home. So that's all about me. And how about you, Sarita?
Okay. So I am basically from Bhiwani, Haryana, and
Mm-hmm.
I am a homemaker. And recently
Mm-hmm.
only I have started this YouTube channel. In your intro, you told me that you are also a YouTuber. So, what
Yes,
kind of
yes,
videos
yes.
you post on your YouTube channel? Actually, I have never seen your videos.
Yeah, even I make videos on English, how to improve your spoken English. Yes.
Okay.
So
So
I make
your channel name is Asim Jafar only.
Asim Zafar. Yes. Asim Zafar. Yes.
Okay.
You can search, you will get it.
Okay. So I have started this channel because I want to improve my English. But your
Mm-hmm.
English is already
Mm-hmm.
very good enough. Then what is the motto behind
Yes.
starting your English channel? Is this to teach people?
No, see, I'll tell you, I'm being very honest with you, Sarita. Actually, the thing is, I'm working from home, as I already told you. So it's as I'm working from home, and Saturday and Sunday is my week off. So I don't work on Saturday and Sunday. So and I am in Bihar right now, as I already told you. So on Saturday and Sunday, I don't have anything to do, right? So I thought, okay, let me try it YouTube, and even if I can give some help to the viewers who wants to improve their spoken English, so why not? So I started like that.
No, it's really appreciable. It's really appreciable.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank you so much.
we people get to learn so many things from you people only.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
This is very much true.
yeah. So because of that, because see, the thing is, if I have something, so why not? I decided, why not I can share the things with the one who wants to learn, or the one who wants to improve uh, their
English.
spoken English in their life, and they want to go ahead and they want to improve their career, because of the spoken English, because lots of people I have seen that they are good at it in everything, but the problem what they face actually is English. When it
Yes.
comes to speaking, they are not good at spoken English.
Mm-hmm.
Even they are good at writing, they have a very good grammar, they can write well, but unfortunately they are not able to speak,
Speak.
they can't speak. That's the main problem. So because of all those research and something, I went through all those things, right? So I decided, okay, fine, if I have something, even I will be learning, right? Because if you will be practicing, so practice makes a man perfect, right?
Perfect. Right.
So even you can improve. Yeah, so I decided, okay, fine, I should start YouTube channel, and I can give something, whatever I have, and whatever help I can give to my viewers, why not I should do
So
give them.
so you have also started your channel recently only, right?
It's been 8 months, eight and a half months. Last year
Okay.
I have started.
So you post these conversation videos, or you post any other practice video also?
Practice, we like, see, I recently I started this, because if you will compare, if you will go to Camly, or if you will go to Clappingo, so these are very expensive, right? If everyone can't afford it, right?
True.
So I thought, okay, fine, whoever wants to improve their spoken English, or whoever wants to speak with me, so why not I can go ahead
Mm-hmm.
and I can do. Because of that reason, even I saw your one video, and even in the description you have mentioned that if you want to talk,
Connect.
then you can contact. You have given your mail ID.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, yes.
because of that reason, I mailed you.
Yeah. Actually, I am also one of those person who can write very well, who can understand very well, but when it comes to speaking part, I am far behind from my knowledge actually.
Yes.
So
Yeah, it
that's
happens because spoken English, speaking is different skill actually. If
true.
you're good at writing, it doesn't mean that you will be able. You will be a good speaker. It's
Right.
because speaking it comes immediately without you don't have to think a lot. You have to instant reply. You have to immediate response. So it will take time. With
Right.
the practice over the period of time, you will improve. And you're speaking good English. Don't think too much. You are speaking really nice. I should appreciate it.
Yeah, actually, there is some disturbance, I think. Actually, I have
Yes,
learned,
no
yes,
problem.
yes. Actually, I have learned a lot from the YouTubers like you, who
Mm-hmm.
made
Mm-hmm.
videos and post them on the YouTube. So you guys are
Mm-hmm.
doing a great job.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Actually, it helps us a lot. It helps us a lot. We get to learn
Yes.
so many things about from your videos. When I
Mhm.
started thinking that okay, I'll be going to do something in spoken English, then
Mhm.
I was not having anything in my head or in my mind that how should I start.
Yes.
Then I went through
Yes.
so many YouTubers video. Okay, actually I need to
Mhm.
start, but from where? Then
Yes.
people
Yes.
like you have posted so many good videos. By watching those videos, I get to learn that okay, I should start from this thing. So
Yes. Yes.
this is a very great thing you are doing. If you are making someone confident in spoken English, you are making someone learning something. It's a very good thing. It's a very good thing.
Yeah. Thank you. That's my aim actually. Because if we have something, we should share that. Because in India, lots of people they have. I have seen so many people in my real life, and that's the only reason I decided that I already mentioned this in the previously so many times. So you are from Haryana, right?
Yes, I am from Haryana.
So what do you do?
Recently, I'm a homemaker.
Homemaker. All right.
Yes. Actually,
That's good. And Mhm.
tell me, please.
Sorry to interrupt you. Go ahead. Sorry to interrupt you. No problem.
Okay. See, actually, few months back, a thing happened to me. I got
Mhm.
a call from a call center, that too in English. So I was unable to
Mhm.
reply, but I was getting that person properly. So it hit me somewhere.
Mhm.
It hit me
Yes,
somewhere
yes.
that okay, I can understand English, I can write English, then why I cannot speak to that person in English?
Right. Correct.
Then I thought okay, this is the time that I should start speaking English. I cannot see myself saying that okay,
So
Sarita.
since how long you have been practicing English?
In January or February only.
Oh wow! Then really you're doing great job. January, February. Now it's May. February,
It's
March,
all,
April, May.
it's
Within
4 to 5 months.
3 to 4 months. Yeah,
I
three
told
to
you
four
na,
months.
I am good in understanding, I am good in writing.
Yes.
So yes. So
Correct.
I have practiced a lot. I am practicing
Mhm.
now also.
So, Sarita, do me a favor. You can just tell me how did you learn, so that my viewers, whoever will watch this video, they will get to know something that what they can do to improve their spoken English. Because you have learned, you are speaking really nice within the span of 3 to 4 months. You have learned, and you're speaking really well. So it will help my viewers or whoever watch this video. They will learn something. So tell me, how did you learn? What all those things you have done?
Yes.
Because
I'll share you.
nobody has seen you, right?
Right. I'll share you step by step. The first thing which
Mhm.
I started watching my web series or movies in English. Yes, that was very
Mhm.
difficult for
Mhm.
me, but still I tried a lot. I started watching those movies in English which I have watched in Hindi 2 or 3 times.
Mhm.
So this was the first step which I took, that I started watching movies and some cartoon shows in
Mhm.
English. Then
Mhm.
I started imitating some YouTubers. I used to watch so many YouTube videos, and then I used to write those content on paper, and then
Mhm.
I used to imitate them. So,
Mhm.
and then I used to practice in front of mirror a lot. I have practiced
Mhm.
in front of camera a lot. Then after
Mhm.
practicing before camera, I thought that okay, now I should start making videos, whatever I'm experiencing. Now this is the time that
Mhm.
I should share it with the people who are unable to speak in English, because if I can
Absolutely.
speak,
That's
others
a
can
good
also
idea.
speak.
Yes, why? Absolutely.
Yes,
I
yes.
completely agree with
If
you.
I can understand English, I can write English. There are so many people, as you told, that they write
Yes,
so well, they understand so well, but they cannot speak. So
correct.
if we want to speak good in English, we just need to practice. This is all about practice.
Yes, yes.
To practice with
Yeah,
someone,
practice makes a man perfect. Yes, yes,
right,
absolutely.
right.
And even I will tell you one thing, because people complains a lot. Lots of people have complained that they are good at it, and but they don't have environment that to whom they can practice. They don't have people to whom they can practice. So I thought, okay, fine, I will give them chance. Whoever wants to speak, they can come up and they can speak with us. So even you are doing great job. Even if someone wants to speak, you can help them out. Even I can. So we are doing really great job. We should really appreciate. And if see you are setting an example. If you can learn within a span of 3 to 4 months, then everybody can learn. Only the thing is they should have to practice hard. They have to do hard work.
Right, 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 right. Okay.
Then what's your hobbies,
See,
Sarita?
Asif, I think our meeting is going to finish now. It's
Mm-hmm.
4:44. It's going to finish at 4:45 because I set 15
Mm-hmm.
minutes time only.
Yes. All right. Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes,
No problem.
yes.
No problem. It was
Ha.
nice talking to you. Sure.
Same here,
Definitely
Asim.
we will
Same.
connect. Yeah. Definitely we will connect again if we'll get an opportunity.
Yes,
Surely
yes.
we will connect.
We will definitely connect
Yeah.
again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
it's nice talking to
Thank you
you.
so much.
Ha ha.
Same here.
Okay.
Same here. Yeah.
Thank you.
You
Thank you
too.
so
Bye
much,
bye.
Asim. Bye bye.
You
Take care.
you too. You too. Bye bye. You too.